So in the main page class file, you should not supposed to write like this. Okay. So what I am doing is I am doing like this. You have to write like this only. Okay. And the data table object, it is asking to import. So here at globally, here we are importing it. So the data table object has been. So this is the change you have to take it. So you need to write in the page class files, you need to write data table object like this. Okay. And here also in login page also, we need to write like this data table and data table object. And we have to write like this. Okay. I will explain why we are writing like that also. So now let's go and check test runner 3.java class. Why still data is not passing? Your data is not passing data. One second. Line number 43. And here after that, here it is not. Username 1 and password 1. Okay. So let me print data table object in step definition.java class file. So and I'm commenting this line. So system.out.println. So whether I'm able to retrieve the data from feature file or not, I'm checking. If the data is coming and printing on the console, that means our program is correct here. So let's run this one. So in the console, my data table object is printing that information or not. Yes, I'm able to see a data table object information. I'm able to get this information. Now, here the passing of data table object. L1.login credentials. So this is the data table object. Passing here. So let me check. So whether the data is coming or not, I'm checking again here. Okay, so this time again let me run. Right. So in my package explorer, so data table object data. Control C, Control F, Control V. Yes, I'm getting the data. Here I'm getting this information, username, comma, pass. Okay. Okay. So actually my parameter names is this one. I am writing capital letters. If you see in feature file, my parameter name is, I have to give I'm not giving proper. So see here, it is getting this one, but I have written something else. Okay. So I have to give this one only because in my feature file, this is the parameter name I had given. I have to give this one. Understood how you analyze? Okay. And I'm saving. Okay. So like that, your data table object data is printing or not also you can verify like that. Okay. Right. Now this time it will go. Okay. Now I'm going back to my test runner 3.java class file. Close everything. Run as. So I have given invalid parameter name. Okay. I have given in capital letters, but in my feature file, it was in lower case. So I'm trying to retrieve, see that input parameter itself, it is not adding. So second iteration. So like that, your program execution completed. Okay, understood the important points, what I did, how I analyzed. So first I'm checking in my skills 5.feature file. So this is the complete information. It was there in my data table object. And at this particular step, this complete information was there in my data table object. So first of what I am doing in my step definition.java file, at that particular steps, okay, I'm printing. So this is print, this information I'm able to see. Okay, and after that, it's navigating to login. So same information I have printed and I'm verifying. It's printing, but I had given invalid parameter names because I am not able to get any data, and here it is coming some blank data. And in my username and password, if it contains some blank data, you should not supposed to send some blank data. That is kind of exception I'm getting. So I have now it's entered proper. So in my feature file, make sure you are giving, suppose if I'm giving capitals, I have to give capitals only here. Exactly the same thing I have to do. Got the point, everyone? Okay. Okay. Now skills.feature file was updated. So I have developed skills.feature file and Cucumber page object model 4. Now let me tell, now you have to help me, and I want to automate these steps. Okay, I want to automate these steps. You can tell me, I can start the implementation. So what is the first step I have to do? I want to develop steps for jobs.feature file. What is the first step I have to do? Sorry, JUnit platform properties file. Yes, very good. I'm going back and I'm changing my jobs.feature file. And I'm saving. Okay. Next step. I have to run the test runner 3.java class file. Okay, let me run. So what will happen if I will execute? Sorry. Unimplemented steps will be generated. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so here unimplemented steps. Okay, so user navigate to login page. 1 second. User navigate to login page 1. 1 second. I'm going back to here because up to here the all steps are common. So whatever is there, so same thing I want to use it. Okay, so here I have written user navigate login page 2. So the same step I can copy it here as well in jobs.feature. and I'm running. Okay. So because I no need to write separate methods for every change. So now I'm running my test runner 3.java class. Run as JUnit test. So username, password, up to that part we already generated steps. Okay. Now unimplemented steps will be generated. Okay. So just click on show stack trace in console view. I'm clicking here. So how many steps are there? Only one step. Okay. So let me copy this step. So I'm copying, and where I need to paste? Step definition dot Java class file. So I'm removing all the unnecessary lines of code inside the method. Okay, I'm done. Okay, create job records file. So corresponding lines of code and methods can be invoked. So what is my next step? I have to. No, I'm not here. What? What I need to do? I have to create job space. Okay, so let me create job space. Taking copy, and I'm pasting here. Job space 3. So here I have to pass the driver object to this class, and here I need to write add jobs, and all the lines of code I need to write it for add jobs iteration. We know how to iterate the data table object iteration part. So simply I'm copying the previous program POM Cucumber 3 add job set of driver instructions, because data table object it contains the information. So now job space previous program. So the see I have created job set. So this is the complete thing I'm copying. Control C. Start except starting and ending curling bracket of the method. I'm copying all the code, and I'm coming back to here. Here I pasted. So ensure your parameters are same. Anyway, it will be same only. Job title, job description, and job node. Okay. So here I'm coming back to here. So it's retrieving. So all this information can be created. So add jobs is done. Okay. And my method was implemented under job space 3. Okay, I'm closing this one. Now what is the next step? As you said, I have to create job space. I done. What is the next one? I have to. Okay, I have to create object for job space. So let me create object job space 3 J1 is equal to new job space 3. Oh. And I'm saving, and J1 dot. So what I need to do? Which method I have to call? Job space WebDriver. Okay, next what I need to write? J1 dot add jobs of data table. And keep the mouse over here, add throws declaration, throws exception dot add. So everything done, implementation. Now can I go and run test runner 3.java class file? Okay, right. Let's go and run this. So this time, which feature file will be executed? Because in JUnit platform properties file, jobs 5.feature. Okay. So now let's run test runner 3. Run as JUnit. So first iteration completed. Second iteration, data table object is iterating now. So set up driver commands. It's executed. Okay. Now if I want to check the output report, where I need to check? Target folder, Kumbar reports, Kumbar HTML, open with browser. See, all the 3 records got successfully created. Okay. Now let's do one more example. Final one. Okay. So SRC test resources feature files we did for jobs and skills. Now I want to automate it for this one. So here I have written, okay, let me copy skills.feature file steps up to login part, everything is common. So I'm copying here nationality this. And here, okay, what I want to do is I'm going back to skills feature file and I'm copying this steps. Control C. Even on the important. Now what I'm doing? Yeah, I have to copy these lines and I'm pasting in nationality feature. So here I need to change steps. So this is nationality record creation. So TC01 nationality create recursion. So here I have to give nationality name. Nationality name. And I don't want this parameter now. So I'm going to give Indian 123, Indian 124, and Indian 125. So these are the records I want to create. So here I need to change create nationality record. Okay. So here only unimplemented step can be generated for this particular step only, because all other steps we had already. Okay, let me save this. Okay, 1 second. Okay, first step. Now start. JUnit platform properties file. Okay, let's go. Nationality. I did. Done. Next. I have to test runner 3.java class file. Okay, let me run it. One second. Nationality feature file. Okay, in my JUnit platform properties file, I haven't updated properly. It's done now. Okay. Parameter name. Okay, great. Good. So let me give capital letters here. Nationality. Okay. So next, what I need to do, my feature file is ready. Next step, test runner 3.java class file. So run as unit test. Okay, now steps will be generated, right? So this particular step only it's generated. So just click on show stack trace view. So I'm copying this method. Control C, and I'm going back to step definition.java class file, and here I can add anywhere I want. And I'm removing all these things. Okay, I did. And I added this unimplemented method. Okay, next step. What I need to do? I have to create a nationality page. Okay, tell me the steps how I need to create. Do I need to write it from scratch or can I copy existing piece? Okay, let's copy existing piece. Right click, copy, and pages, paste it. Now I can give nationality piece. Click on OK. Now I have to tell me. So change the method name. And here what I need to write? Add nationality. Anyway, data table object is required or not? It's required. I'm keeping like that. And here I can change it nationality data. Nationality data. So I have created a list object. And I want to iterate nationality data object and nationality data object dot this one. And I need to ensure parameter name. Correct? So let me take my parameter name from feature file. Nationality name. Okay. And here I need to write my set of driver commands. Okay, let me delete all these lines. Deleting this one as well. So I need to write, okay, for loop. Okay, I need to write set of driver commands related to add nationality. Okay, so let's go back to previous one, nationality page, set of driver commands. I'm taking these lines of code, Control C. I think I need to write admin nationality. Okay, navigation, admin nationality, click and everything. So Control C. Okay, here I need to change it. Okay, I'm pasting. So here I need to write nationality text. Right. And I'm clicking on, okay, set of driver command admin. I have to click on admin. After that, I need to click on nationalities. Okay. So I'm navigating to admin and I'm clicking. So because admin sometimes it's not working. So by using actions class, we are clicking admin. And after that, I'm clicking on nationality. And after that, I want to enter nationality name and text all this information. Control C. So here I want to enter nationality text. So this is the nationality text information. I have to paste here in my sentence. Okay, done. So add nationality part is completed. Okay, I'm done saving. Okay. Set of driver instructions also I had completed. Okay, what is my next step? What is the next step? Okay, going back to my step definition.java class file. What? No. I'm opening in Cucumber project 3, right? So I have to open step definition.java class file. What is the next step? 1 second. What is the next step here? Create an object for which page? Nationality page. Whatever name I had given, nationality page. N1 is equal to new nationality. 1 second. Nationality page. Yes, I have created nationality object N1. Now what I need to do? I need to pass the object WebDriver object to nationality page. N1 dot nationality page. So I'm passing the driver object to N1, and after that N1 dot. So keep the mouse over, add throws declaration, throws exception got added, and save. Okay, done. Okay, now what is the next step? I have to run it. All steps are implemented. Test runner 3.java. So this time my nationality feature file has to execute. Okay, let's run JUnit test. So it's clicking on nationality and Indian 123, that is the record got created. And again, second iteration, data table object is iterating. Third iteration. It's done. Log out and close browser. It's done. Successfully, it's completed. Let's check the output report. Target folder. Where is target folder? Oh.
Sir, what is the use of JUnit?
JUnit, Cucumber. So to execute your Cucumber programs, we can use JUnit framework. Across organization, people will use JUnit. If it is TestNG, we can execute by using TestNG dot. So still we haven't discussed about TestNG. So to execute programs of Cucumber, so we can use JUnit. See here TestNG. See here JUnit platform dot class. So these are the supporting class files because Cucumber framework was developed based on JUnit platform. Okay, so these are default syntaxes, and to execute the scenarios and everything in such a way, the JUnit framework was had been used in Cucumber framework. So what
another TestNG platform?
Sorry.
Another JUnit like another one is there, TestNG.
TestNG we haven't started. We will start in next week.
Okay.
Tuesday. Okay. Now I want to check target folder. Target folder Cucumber reports, Cucumber HTML, open with browser. See, all the steps got executed. Okay. So now tell me, I am giving some exercise. Admin, I have to click on admin. And I want to click on qualifications. And I want to click on education. Okay, I want to click on education. And after that, I want to click on add button. And I want to enter MCA. And I want to click on save. So education record got created. Okay. So this is the scenario I want to automate. Okay, I won't write set of driver commands. Just tell me how I need to write. Okay. So the last part for today. One second. I will come back slowly. So the last exercise for today. Today's lab we are completely utilizing for only for lab. That's why I'm telling these many examples. Okay. Now what I need to do? I didn't get. I have to create education.feature file. Can I go and create new feature file like that, or can I copy existing one? Okay, right? Copy. And I'm pasting education feature file. Okay, education feature file is done. Next step, what I need to change here? Create education record and objective also education record creation in Orange HRM application. Okay. Next, what are the steps I need to change? Create education record, right? And I don't want these many parameters because I'm entering only one education only. And here I want to enter MCA1, MCA2. MCA3. So I want to create these records and I have saved it. Yeah, my feature file is ready. Okay, parameter, job, sorry, what is this? Education course. Done. Okay, my feature file is done. Next step. JUnit platform.properties. See, you are telling very fast after giving this exercise, everybody will do very slowly. Education.feature file. Education, right? Done. Next. Runner.java class file. Okay, right? Executed. So unimplemented steps it's got generated. Next, what I need to do? So I have to copy that one. So I'm clicking. This is the record I want to create. Control C. What I need to do? And step definition.java class file. So going back to here. And I have to, I'm removing all the code. Okay. I'm saving. Now what I need to do? What? I have to create education.java class file. Okay, let me, so going back to, so can I create Java class file or what I need to do? So I'm copying 1 second nationality page. I'm taking Control C and I'm pasting. What I need to write? Education page. Clicking on OK. Right. So next, what are the changes I need to do here? First, I need to pass the web education page WebDriver object. I need to pass it here, and here I need to write add education. Okay, and here I need to navigate admin, and so here the parameter name I need to change it here, right? So what is this? Is the one education course. Done. So do I need to click on nationalities or what? Where I need to click? Admin, and after that qualifications and okay, education. Okay, 1 second. So from here onwards, you can continue the set of driver instructions. So anyway, I'm not writing here. Okay. Just I want to, okay. So just I'm commenting all these lines of code. Okay. So just I'm printing this nationality text, sorry, education course. So whenever this particular step got executed, those many times it will be printed in the console. That's it. System dot out dot println. Because I'm not writing setup, you can continue. Okay. Education text plus saving. Save. Now, if I will run this program, this education text, it will be printed those many times and it will be printed on the console. Whatever you are writing, those setup driver commands will be executed. So now let's, okay, implemented. My education.java is implemented. Next part, what I need to do? Tired. What I need to do? I have to create object. Education phase E1 is equal to new education phase of. Then next E1 dot. I have to pass the WebDriver object. Then E1 dot add education data table object. Throws exception. Okay, done. Okay, next what I need to do? I need to execute test runner 3.java. Okay, let's run this one. Setup driver commands, it won't execute, but it will be printed on the console because we have written that one. And close browser, those lines of code is available, it will execute. So at this time it is printing on the console, it's closed. So like that, your browser will be executed 3 times. 1 second. Oh, okay. It's data table, right? It will execute only once. Okay. Now let's check in the console part. See education text. For that particular step, education text. Okay, it's got printed perfectly. Okay. And if you want to check the output report, you can check it. See, all the steps got executed successfully. Okay, I'm going to share this project copy. So I think I have done almost so many labs. Okay, so that's it for today. And tomorrow's class means on Tuesday's class. Okay, on Tuesday class, we will see parallel execution of Cucumber. Once Cucumber is completed, we can start into test engine. Guys, tell me, is there any difficulty on the page object model of Cucumber? Is there any difficulty in page object model of Cucumber? Is everyone clear? Got confident on that? Okay. So the exercise for everyone is you have to automate education, admin qualification. So this is one, and licenses, languages, memberships, and remaining scenarios you can continue the automation part. Okay, create a separate feature files and automate these things. Okay, so that's it for today. So we will see on Tuesday's class. Thank you, everyone.